Hi, my name is Ruth Solomon, and this is my Anytown USA urban flooding web application. The scales range from 1 to 18,056 to 1 to 144,448. So the flooding locations can be seen at every scale for users that might want to use it at any scale. As we zoom in, that's zooming out. As we zoom in, there's more detail. And we can click the widget, click the feature, and click an area that you'd like to add. You can write down the date, April, I'm not sure what the date is, let's say it's the 9th, 2020, nope, 2021, and comment on "5 feet of water here." And then it's reported by root, and just close. And when you close this, it'll appear there. You can click it again to see the comments and who reported it. Then you can head back here and you can add a new selection, or you can make a new selection, you can add a selection, which we just did, or you can subtract. So I can go, hey, it's all fixed up. There. And you can say, hey, we're good. That's all done. We're all right. Get rid of it. It's been taken care of. We can change the base map on here and be like, I want to see what it looks like. You can see, that's right by that new construction place, or get an idea of what's going on there. Gonna change this back. If you have a coordinate location and you're like, hey, I've got UTM, you can put it in there, or decimal degrees. This is just a layer list, and you can make the layer transparent, set the ranges, check out description, and you can even share it if you'd like to share with friends, family, neighbors, community, etc. So the rest page for this, here we go, and this would be the base map. Tells you when it starts and ends, the initial extent, the full extent, supported image types, and that. And then we can go back to services to check out the editable portion. So here we are. I'll just click in the layers, and as we scroll down, we can kind of, again, the extent, the drawing info, and tells you the capabilities: query, create, update, delete, upload, edit. There's that. So what I learned from doing this is module 3, 4, and 5. 3 and 4 I'm more fluent in, so I did it so many times that now I can do it really well. Things I enjoyed was creating just the cartographic elements, these symbols, creating that, putting it together, and seeing how it all came about. Challenges I faced is the data source. I didn't download the zip file. I tried to use the map package, and that was frustrating. It was a day and a half of trying to figure out what that was about, but it all worked out in the end. Thank you. Enjoy the web map. Have a good day.